Remember we were talking recently about pizza vending machines? And I was getting all fired up. I was like, cool, robots and pizza. My favorite things. Well, they put one of these pizza vending machines, not the one we talked about, but they put one of them in this spot in Italy, in Rome. Was it in Rome?
Yes.
Anyway, yeah, in Rome. And you can't be doing this in Rome. Well, I just got to be honest with you right now.
Is that offensive?
Well, you ever been to Rome before?
No, I haven't. I would love to.
You know what
check
country
out
Rome
Europe.
is in?
I believe it's in Italy.
You think Italy knows anything about pizza? Just anything at all?
Yeah.
Sheesh. You come
Is
with
this really that offensive?
you come with a pizza. You come
Huh?
with a pizza vending machine into Italy, and you think it's all gonna go well?
Who invented this? Is it Italian?
This one's called Mr. Go Pizza. Recently installed in Piazza Bologna. In 3 minutes, it cooks 4 different types of pizza, costing from $5.40 to $7.20. After the machine kneads the dough, it adds the toppings. Customers can watch their pie cook behind a small glass window. I mean, that sounds cool and fun. But you know they put it in a tourist location. They're trying to get everybody who's not actually a local and doesn't know about that real pizza. Mm-hmm. But we got some quotes in here from local Italians. Are you ready?
They're like, burn it to the ground.
Here we go. The reviews range from acceptable if you're in a hurry to outright horror. It's okay, but it's not pizza, said Naples native Fabrizia Pugliese. And I don't know if you know about Naples, but
I heard that's like the best pizza joint
capital
like, area.
Pizza capital. No messing around with pizza over there.
Okay.
Let's see. It looks good, but is much smaller than in a restaurant, and there's less topping. All right. Gina, another pensioner who declined to give her name, called the whole concept terrible. Pizza really needs to be eaten hot immediately. This doesn't work for me. He's so upset.
Very full on analysis over there. Yeah.
Like, he's not going to just take a bite of anything. This guy's serious.
Yeah, he seems to know his pizzas.
The machine's location isn't doing it any favors either. Down the road, there's a Napolitano restaurant that uses a brick oven.
Right.
You know? And here's another one. I wouldn't even think of eating a pizza made by a machine. That's Giovanni Campagna. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, look.
It's
You can't be bringing this thing to Rome.
Yeah. Why did they put it there? Like, they could put it anywhere in the world.
Yeah. Well, like I said, they're trying to capitalize on a tourist. They're coming through looking. They're like, oh, look at that. We're in Italy. Let's have a pizza. And they don't know
a vending machine?
And they don't know the difference.
No.
You know? And they're in a hurry.
Yeah.
So I'm sure the pizza's not actually that bad. It's just, if you ever talk to Italians about food, now I feel somewhat, you know, my mom's side of family is all quite Italian. Mm-hmm. And so when you had conversations about food with well, at least in my experience, it's a level of seriousness around food selection, ingredient selection. Where did it come from? Show me the badge. Who grew it? What style is it? You can't be eating that. That is wrong. Like, it's like rules to the degree, and the varieties and just the food awareness and origin and around cheese and wine and pizza would fall in there as well.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying it's a tough crowd
Yes.
when you come with your robot machine. It doesn't change the fact that I find it to be fun, but it definitely cannot and probably will not compete with the real deal for a long time.
Yeah.
If ever.
I think it's just ill-placed.
Pizza Mr. Go.